Delhi's former Chief Minister and Aam Aadmi Party's national convener Arvind Kejriwal has appeared in Delhi High Court, and for the very first time he argued his own case. Arvind Kejriwal appeared against Justice Swarnakant Sharma's bench. He appeared around 2:30 p.m. in the evening, and this case went for 5 hours and ended at 7 p.m. Arvind Kejriwal started his argument. He said, "Personally, I have highest regard against you." On this, Justice Swarnakant Sharma said, "We too have a respect for you." And then Mr. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta has interjected by saying that there is nothing personal here. NDTV was inside in the court and will tell you what went inside. Arvind Kejriwal has filed a recusal application against Justice Swarnakant Sharma. Along with Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia and other accused has also filed a recusal application. Why this recusal application? Because in February, the lower court has given a judgment in favor of Arvind Kejriwal and other accused in the Delhi liquor policy scam by saying that CBI has no evidence against these accused, and based on that, Arvind Kejriwal get a relief. Later on, CBI has filed an application in Delhi High Court against Justice Swarnakant Sharma's bench, and on CBI's application, Justice Swarnakant Sharma issued an order notice to Arvind Kejriwal and other accused in the case to file their submissions. After that, Arvind Kejriwal and other accused filed a recusal application against Justice Swarnakant Sharma by making a statement that there is apprehension against Justice Swarnakant Sharma, that she will not give a justice in favor of Arvind Kejriwal, and she has a bias against CBI and ED by making some important points by the Arvind Kejriwal and other accused in the case. Arvind Kejriwal, for the first time, he is representing his own case. He said that for the very first time he is arguing this case. That is why he is little bit nervous. However, he has taken few wrong turns, and later on, judge has set right by the judges, and judge has made some important points when Arvind Kejriwal is making an argument. Later on, Justice Swarnakant Sharma said that you are making a good argument. When his lawyer was assisting Arvind Kejriwal, and Justice Swarnakant Sharma said, "Please stop this assistant. Arvind Kejriwal is himself capable of arguing this case, and he is arguing very well in the court." He's made several points against Justice Swarnakant Sharma. Kejriwal has said that this court, means Justice Swarnakant Sharma's bench, has rejected 600-page lower court judgment in just 5 minutes. And he said that I wrote a letter to the Chief Justice of High Court to change the bench. However, judge has said that when the matter was assigned to another judge, only the concerned judge can decide to rescue himself from the matter. That is why he has filed a recusal application in this case. In the last hearing, Arvind Kejriwal and the accused had filed an application to accept, and later on, court has accepted Arvind Kejriwal's wakalatnama and given him a chance to appear and argue his own case. Arvind Kejriwal has made 10 strong points against Justice Swarnakant Sharma, and by saying that because of these points, Arvind Kejriwal and other accused feel that the bench will not give, nor will do a justice in favor of these accused, and they have a fear that CBI and ED get a relief from this court, because earlier also this court has given a big relief to CBI and ED whenever they approach to Justice Swarnakant Sharma's bench. The first point and very important point that he said that when CBI has filed an application in Delhi High Court against lower court judgment, then this court has not heard the ROP, that is Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia's side, and without hearing them, they have passed an order in favor of CBI and ED. That is why Arvind Kejriwal said that the order is 600 pages, lower court order is 600 pages, and this court has rejected the court order in just 5 minutes. Another point, he said that whenever in the last hearing, in the 6th of March hearing, when ED has not sought any relief from this court, when Solicitor General Tushar Mehta has made an oral remark, and based on his oral remark, this court has given relief to ED, and after 2 days getting relief from this court, ED has filed an application in this court. That is why Mr. Kejriwal and other accused has said that ED get a relief even they have filed an application in this court. Another point that he's made, and this has become a social media point, when Arvind Kejriwal made a point that Justice Swarnakant Sharma has appeared in an event which is affiliated to RSS Bar Council. Later on, Tushar Mehta said that this is the Bar Council affiliated to RSS, that is Lawyers Association, that is not any other associations. And Arvind Kejriwal, when he was making his point that this court, means Justice Swarnakant Sharma, has appeared four time in RSS related event, then Justice Sharma said, then what? He said that because you appeared in RSS event, that is why he believed that you will not get a justice in favor of Arvind Kejriwal and other accused. Arvind Kejriwal has said that RSS and BJP has a different ideology, and we are opposite of that ideology, and that is why we believe that ideologies matter. And because you have participated in the RSS event, that is why we feel that there is an ideological biasness against you, and that is why we have filed a recusal application against you. Another important point that Arvind Kejriwal has made, that Arvind Kejriwal has referred a speech given by the Home Minister Amit Shah, in which Amit Shah has said that Arvind Kejriwal and other accused will file an application in Supreme Court because they know that they will defeat in the High Court. So Arvind Kejriwal has said, by how Amit Shah has known that we will lose this case, even though this case has not, even though the court has not yet started hearing this case. That is why there is the apprehension that is a political statement made by the Home Minister and the central government, because we are against the central government. That is why I think that Arvind Kejriwal said that I have apprehension against you, that you might give order in favor of CBI and ED. Another important point that he made in the argument, and Manish Sisodia's lawyer and other accused lawyer has also represented this case. Arvind Kejriwal argued around 45 minutes. Later on, Manish Sisodia's lawyer argued for around 1 hour. Then Vijay Nair's lawyer has argued for around 15 to 20 minutes. And later on, other accused lawyers has also appeared, and after that Tushar Mehta has appeared on behalf of CBI and ED, and this case was started at 2:30 and it went till 7 p.m. in the evening. The court has heard all the sides. Arvind Kejriwal has made another 6 and 7 points. Why he has filed a recusal application. Remember why Arvind Kejriwal has filed a recusal application, and why this kind of application has been filed. Whenever there is one party, if in both parties, if one party feels that this court or this judge is not biased, if they think that this judge or court is biased against something, and if they feel that they will not get a natural justice, then in that scenario they file a recusal application. And similarly here in this case also, Arvind Kejriwal has filed a recusal application against Justice Swarnakant Sharma, because in last 4 or 5 cases which is related to Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party, Justice Swarnakant Sharma has given an order in favor of CBI and ED. When Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia, Sanjay Singh, other top leaders of Aam Aadmi Party has arrested, and whenever they file an application in front of Justice Swarnakant Sharma, bail application, their bail application was rejected. And this was the also important point that he made, that Arvind Kejriwal has argued in the court by saying that whenever bail application rejected by High Court was challenged in Supreme Court and Supreme Court has granted relief, in that judgment Supreme Court has made a remark against Justice Swarnakant Sharma's order, and that is why they think that Justice Swarnakant Sharma is a bias, and that is why they think that they will not get a justice. However, Justice Tushar Mehta has opposed this recusal application. He said that one of Supreme Court justice who has given a relief to Arvind Kejriwal is also appeared in the RSS event, which when Arvind Kejriwal said that that court is also biased. Then he made another reference to Supreme Court verdicts, and he also refers to some US government verdict in the Delhi High Court, and saying that recusal application can't be entertained like this. The recusal application can only be accepted when there is a strong evidence given by the petitioner that they have a apprehension in their mind that the court will not give a justice in favor of them, and there is no strong evidence given by the or argument given by the Arvind Kejriwal and other accused in this case. That is why this recusal should be not be accepted. However, Tushar Mehta has said, Tushar Mehta said, I urge that this court should reject this application, and he said this court has rejected this application with penalty and also fine and also start a contempt case against these accused. However, Justice Sonkant Sharma has said that may God, I will announce a good judgment, and this is the first time that in my career I am facing a recusal application. This is Ashwin Kumar Singh for ADTV.